Our planet Earth is a marvel, a life-supporting oasis in the vastness of space. It provides us with the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the land we live on. However, our modern way of life often puts a strain on these precious resources. Pollution from factories, cars, and other human activities can contaminate our air, water, and land, harming both the environment and our health. That's why environmental laws are so important. These laws act as safeguards, protecting our planet from the harmful effects of human activities. They set limits on pollution, promote sustainable practices, and help conserve our natural resources for generations to come. Thanks to the tireless efforts of scientists, activists, and policymakers, many countries have enacted strong environmental laws to protect our planet. These laws are a testament to our understanding that we are part of nature, not separate from it, and that our well-being is inextricably linked to the health of our environment. Clean air is essential for life. However, air pollution is a major problem in many parts of the world, especially in densely populated cities. Pollutants from cars, factories, and power plants can cause respiratory problems, heart disease, and other health issues. Recognizing the importance of clean air, governments around the world have enacted laws to reduce air pollution. One of the most influential pieces of legislation is the Clean Air Act in the United States, first passed in 1963 and amended several times since then. This landmark law sets national air quality standards, regulates emissions from various sources, and promotes research and development of cleaner technologies. The Clean Air Act has been instrumental in reducing air pollution in the United States, leading to improvements in public health and environmental quality. Water is the lifeblood of our planet. However, our water resources are under increasing threat from pollution, overuse, and climate change. Industrial discharges, agricultural runoff, and untreated sewage can contaminate our rivers, lakes, and oceans, making water unsafe for drinking, swimming, and supporting aquatic life. To protect our precious water resources, many countries have enacted laws and regulations to prevent water pollution and ensure the sustainable management of this vital resource. One such law is the Clean Water Act in the United States, passed in 1972. This law sets water quality standards, regulates discharges of pollutants into waterways, and provides funding for wastewater treatment plants. The Clean Water Act has been highly effective in reducing water pollution in the United States, supporting healthier ecosystems, and providing safe drinking water for millions of people. Land is the foundation of our existence. It provides us with food, shelter, and countless other resources. However, our land is under increasing pressure from urbanization, deforestation, and unsustainable agricultural practices. To conserve our land resources for future generations, many countries have enacted laws and policies to protect natural areas, promote sustainable land management practices, and prevent the degradation of our soils. One such example is the National Environmental Policy Act, or NEPA, in the United States, passed in 1969. NEPA requires federal agencies to assess the environmental impacts of their actions and to consider alternative approaches that minimize negative impacts. Another important law is the Endangered Species Act of 1973, which aims to protect endangered and threatened species and their habitats. This law has been instrumental in preventing the extinction of many species and has helped to conserve millions of acres of habitat. The fight to protect our environment is ongoing, but it's important to acknowledge our successes. One inspiring example is the recovery of the bald eagle, the national bird of the United States. Once on the brink of extinction due to habitat loss and DDT, the bald eagle has made a remarkable comeback. Another success story is the cleanup of the Cuyahoga River in Ohio. Once so polluted that it caught fire, it is now much cleaner. These examples show we can reverse environmental damage and protect our planet. While we celebrate our environmental successes, we must also acknowledge the ongoing challenges we face. Climate change, plastic pollution, and biodiversity loss demand our attention. Climate change poses an existential threat to our planet. Fossil fuels release greenhouse gases, causing global temperatures to rise. This leads to extreme weather, rising sea levels, and ecosystem disruptions. Addressing climate change requires a global effort to transition to clean energy. Despite challenges, there are reasons for optimism. Technological advancements offer promising solutions. By working together, we can build a future where both people and nature thrive.